What?
Play with them niggas like practice on an easy day. I would say not to call me, but you bother me either way. Incoming FaceTime, babe, did you eat today? I tell her no, cause if I cook, I'll probably burn the.
No, it's not working. Oh, it is. Yeah. Every day. I don't know who them niggas are, but that's a banger.
The wind's really scary. I can't sleep.
Hey, we'll be okay, guys. I promise. All winds blow away. Eventually.
I did not like that knocking. Oh, hell no. What the fuck? Oh, fuck no.
Catnap! Help us go to sleep, Catnap!
We need it, Catnap!
Please help us!
Sleep, sleep, sleep!
Fuck no, bro.
Everyone knows Huggy Wuggy and Poppy Playtime, but are your children safe from Playtime Co.'s latest toy? What you've seen here is Playtime Co.'s own Smiling Critters, a limited series cartoon meant to celebrate the release of the toys sharing its name. Yet both now face the fire sparked by the inclusion of one key member. This is Catnap. And like the others of his line, you just pull his little tail and seems innocent enough. However, parents across the country report their children experiencing strange and often violent nightmares. And beside them, their little, grinning Catnap doll. Now, with controversy growing, Playtime Co. has announced the recall of all Catnap toys from the Smiling Critters line. His image cleared from all promotional material. But damage already done, will disappearing be that easy? The exact cause of these incidents still unknown. Only one thing appears glaringly certain. Your children are not safe with Catnap.
Oh, okay. It's gonna be a little scary, isn't it? Gonna be a little scary. Okay. Oh, what the f***? Bro, what the f*** am I on? Oh, hell no. What the fuck do I do now? Oh, no. Come on. No. What the f? There we go. Okay, there you go. Oh. Okay. Oh. Nice. Good plays. What do I... Okay, I go up there. No, I don't go down there. I'd be dumb. I don't go down there. Oh shit. Okay, so where do I go though? Right here. Yeah. Alright, alright. Let me check around here real quick before I even go in there. Oh, is that blood? Oh, fuck no. Fuck no, baby. Hell no. Fuck was that? Okay, okay. Oh, there's more of you? I gotta jump. Speed run this shit. Oh fuck. Look, I'm not a speedrunner, okay? Huh. Yeah, I'm him. I'm him, see. Ah. What the fuck? Oh no, I didn't see him. I jump. Fuck me, dude. Where do I go? Right or left? Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a cat person, bro. I'm about to die. Oh, okay, okay. Candy cat snacks. I haven't eaten all day. Kinda hungry, low key. So I gotta charge both of those. That's what I'm seeing. Place a battery into the socket to supply power. Okay, gotcha. Where is a battery? Looking for batteries. Battery, battery, battery. Gotcha. There's another battery at. Ooh, a tape. Let's look. Okay. How do I... Alright, nice.
All right, Miss Harper. Please explain the situation. Spare no detail.
Well, like any night, all the children were getting to sleep. It was peaceful, quiet. Catnap had the red smoke in the room. Then suddenly, there was this scream. Nightmares happen, I know, but this... I mean, dilated pupils and quivering lips. The way her eyes darted around the room, and I swear, her hand in mine, it felt like her blood was boiling beneath her skin. She saw something too. Something horrible. I'm sorry. I don't mean to.
Miss Harper, we'll provide the very best care we can offer. You have my word. But this is important. Did Marie happen to describe what she saw?
Yes, a monster, she said that it was colorless. Gosh, I could feel the poor little heart pounding. For her, it was right there. And her movements, they were so wild. Arms flailing, legs kicking. I wanted to talk to her, see how she's doing. I really need to hear her voice right now.
That would not be advised, Miss Harper. There are many concerns we must address at this time. But vitals show normal, and we'll continue to monitor. She'll be okay.
Well, pardon me if I'm not comforted by that.
Oh shit. The voice acting go crazy.
Bring my little girl back to me.
Yo, she went dummy for that voice acting. They said, yo, can you voice act on here? She said, alright, I'll see the whole show too. Okay, where is the other battery socket though? Oh, found you. Hello, freedom. Why do they look so different right here?
I'm Bubba Bubbaphant.
I'm Bobo Butt.
I remember you.
What the fuck you mean you remember me? I ain't never been here. Right, MC? What the fuck? Is that for me? What the fuck? Here it is.
Hey, hey, can you hear me? You look kind of lost. I don't want you to die, so I'm gonna help you. Check this out. Look at the tube thing on the back wall. Ready? Boom! You can use that battery to open the door.
I don't trust niggas down here, bro. This game makes me cautious of little kids. That and Five Nights at Freddy's, bro. They always got something planned. Oh, there's a train, or I think.
Whoa! Did you do that?
Yeah.
I guess that's where Catnap found you. I know you're probably mad at Poppy for not letting you escape, but she needs you. We need you. You are our mission.
Man, fuck
Together,
you.
We can save a lot of people.
I don't give a fuck. Fuck them
including
kids.
You. Playcare is straight ahead. It's the home of Catnap, one of the smiling critters. There used to be 8 of them, I think. Now it's just him. Playcare is his church, his hunting ground, whatever he wants it to be. You better get moving quickly. We'll keep in touch.
I'm gonna go ahead and close that door.
And by the way, my name is Ollie. Nice
Ollie.
to meet you.
Good manners. Nice to meet you too, sir. Or little kid. I need a beer, bro. Let me stop. I'm underage. I can't drink. So. Nothing important here, I guess. Grab the handle. Rotate beam with Q and E. I am so confused. What? I'm using Q and E. Oh. Oh, I was using the wrong one.
Stupid.
I'm dumb. Okay, that's on me. Sorry, developers. I was about to cuss y'all out. Okay, let's see here. What's the mission now? Say one fucking me because I'm popular. Say one fucking me because I'm popular. Say one fucking me because I got 68 subscribers. Say won't fuck with me because I got 68 subscribers. Okay, let's see. That didn't do anything. Okay. Well, they got a loading screen on and everything. How's y'all's day been, though? Y'all been doing good? Actually, I don't care. The game's loaded back in.
Hello. My name is Elliot Ludwig. When you look around at the world today, what one thing do you think it needs more of? I asked around once. Money. I never have enough.
All you do is talk about money. That's all you do.
Well, bitch, I need it.
Understand,
Facts.
I can never get any. Faith, the common man has lost it. Each answer was different. And I could perhaps see some little truth in each. But I think each was also missing something. Something simple. You see, not one of them could muster a smile. A smile is hope. A smile is love. A smile is understanding. And there is nothing more gratifying to my soul than being the reason for a child's smile. To be the
some real
spark that
pedophilia.
ignites all their hopes and dreams. For it is only through hopes and dreams that we may create a better world. One where our children need not be afraid. One where they are protected. After all, this company and its toys are nothing without them. These children deserve to smile. They deserve to love. And they deserve a safe home. That is why it is with enormous pleasure that as the founder of Playtime Co., I announce Playcare.
Playcare.
Our very own on-site orphanage. But it's not only that. It's a school, a playhouse, a place to belong. Our very own ecosystem beneath the surface, dedicated in every inch and detail to ensuring a child's smile. Its teachers and counselors, mothers and fathers, until such a time they have all of that in you. May Playcare bring joy, inspiration, and smiles to all who enter these doors. For what gives life its meaning if not a smile?
Brax, need some of them monies. And money O's. Money A.
It's me again, Ollie.
What's good, Ollie?
Cool place, right?
It
The
is
kids
dope.
used to live here. Now look at it. Anyways, do you see that statue in the middle of the room? Take the stairs that go under it. There's a really cool room in there that powers literally all of Playcare. I can give you a key down there.
I don't fucking with you because I'm popular. I don't fucking with you because I got 68 subscribers. Alright, let's see here. So what do I do? Nice, thank you. Thank you. I thought that was a snake.
Key. Now the
Nice.
question you're probably asking yourself is, where does it go? Well, head back out, and you should find a door just to the left of the cable car you took down here.
Okay. Oh yeah, there it is. I see it. Damn, bro. I really got 68 subscribers, though. I appreciate all the love, bro. And y'all really did run on my last video. I appreciate that. Real shit. Okay, we are here. Another loading screen. Now, for real, tell me how y'all did, man. Like, realistically. Tell me. Talk to me. Yeah, those days, yeah, actually, I don't care. They loaded back in.
Welcome to the gas production zone. The
Damn.
beating heart of the whole evil Playcare system. All that gas you see coming from the machine is made right here in the factory. It's called the red smoke. Right now, it's all headed off to the right. We need to make that red smoke go left instead. That's how we can get to him. The machine will probably have a few dumb safeguards for you to work around, but I think you can do it.
How
I'll call
fun.
you once it's done.
Thank you for the help, bro. I appreciate that. Make them all go. Fuck. You gotta pray I never see your ass. Okay. Just give me the battery. I'm going. Not going there. Nice. Ooh. Tape. No, I love lore. Brad Pack 2.0. Ooh. Air jets. Alright, I could get down with this. Oh, okay. He's dead. What's the time? Playtime. Alright, so gimme. Where's that? Oh, okay. How do I? Oh. Oh no. Get away from me. How do I use? Oh. That's dope. W's in the shot. Okay, so let me try that again. Maybe I should get a running start. Woo. Oh, I was almost there. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Okay, so how do I bring it down? Oh, nice. So I'm gonna need like a real big boost. That one probably need to hit that one. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, that's what it is. And then this one needs to hit this one over here. I'm a genius, dude. What? It hit it, didn't it? Oh, hold up. Wait, what the fuck? There we go. Easy. You gonna open the door now? Oh, it's gotta start with you now. Then I gotta go over there and change that one. Ooh, that's a nice jump. The door should open now, right? No signal. So this door should be it. Yeah, it's open. Nice. Still no signal, so I don't know what I'm supposed to do now. Huh? Huh? Oh no, oh fuck, no fuck, no fuck, no fuck, no.
Oh no! Someone killed the power. Okay, I sent you another key. It's under the statue. Use it to get into Home Sweet Home. Then once you're inside, find the building's backup generator. Good luck!
Fuck. No. Fuck no. It's under the statue. Oh, fuck no. Loading. I like how I have to walk everywhere. It's a loading screen though. That's cool. Fuck. Under the statue. Okay. Under the statue. Just go under the statue. Just go under the fucking statue. Under the statue. Fuck, man. Fuck me. Where's that statue at? Oh my god, I have terrible night vision. Oh fuck. Do I only have this? Do I not have a brighter light? Nice. Where's the key at? It shows under the statue. Bitch. Okay. He didn't lie. I'm sorry for calling you a bitch, kid. I'm sorry, Ollie. That's my fault. So it's flooding. This nigga expects me to go back in there with no power? Probably here. I'm gonna assume it's here. Yep, it's here. Yeah, I went to the late place. Fuck no, 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 no. Look at that. You just told me about the red smoke. Why am I going through it if you just... Fuck you. Fuck this, bro. Fucking hate you. I'm fucked now. I'm so fucked. Okay, thank God none of these doors open. Let me just... Yeah. So you can't get the drop on me. Happy and fun. Why is it done? This demonic ass shit, bro. He better not pop up behind me. If he pops up behind me, I'm gonna tweak.
Tragic news this morning as of 9:45 a.m. Local authorities
okay.
that the body of
so I had to
young
follow
boy
the scratch
has
marks.
been found on the estate of the late Elliot Ludwig, an esteemed toy maker and originator of the Playtime Company.
Why the fuck does he have claws?
The child awaits official confirmation. Found in an upstairs bedroom in a large duffel bag, officers on scene report that the remains appear to have been disturbed. Organs as well as key bones from the skeletal structure
fuck no, bro.
Missing from the body. It is unknown at this time whether this
let me see my... I can't even run. I can't run.
Following recent events, Playtime Co. was asked for any comment regarding the discovery. This is what they had to say. Quote, "It's sickening. Elliot Ludwig was a great man, and those who knew him understood that he was not capable of violence, let alone what others know."
Okay.
You need to run.
What? What the f? No.
Despite Playtime's proclamation of Ludwig's innocence, many believers
What the fuck? Dude. What was that? Whoa! Chill, chill, chill. Bro, come on, dude. Alright. You just disappeared now? Okay, Brody. Guilt wants you. Bro, stop playing with me. I'ma keep moving because you is not getting me. You're not getting me, bro. He's cutting me off. I don't like that, bro. I can't run. Guilt haunts you. Bro, I get it. I get it. It haunts me, bro. I get it. I'm a piece of shit. I must have done something to these kids. I'm sorry. Whoa, pause on that, because I am not a pedophile, Brody.
Get up.
Oh, no.
Get up.
Do I have to follow the nigga? What are you trying to tell me, bro? Okay. Okay, bro, I get it. I get it. You win. You win, nigga. You win. You're better. You scared me. I'm scared.
Get up.
I'm scared, bro. You win.
Get up. Get up.
Alright, bro, I'm scared. You win. You win, bro. You win. I'm scared. I don't trust this. I don't fuck with this. I do not fuck with this. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What the fuck? There is no safety here. Oh, they knew. I thought this place was safe. Happy and fun. Why was it done? Dude, I don't know where this tape is. Oh, fuck.
Greetings, employees, and welcome to your first day here in Playtime. We're certain that in the days to come, you'll find your new family here every bit as loving and supportive as your own. Feel free to wander the halls, sit in the mess for lunch, or watch our children play and learn to their little hearts' content. Join the innovationists where the bounds of science are continuously pushed, or join the counselors of Playcare whose diligence and care for our children will help shape a brighter future. Just you see. Now, every one of you has your part in that future, so should you come back tomorrow feeling unhappy for where you are or what you've done, worry not, for your supervisor is here and happy to listen. And should you come back years later, your conscience finally getting the better of you, may you descend into the dark and the dust, finding all
No, chill out.
Incomprehensible horrors. Each
I don't want to look.
For your return.
I don't want to look.
Eager that they might find you. Perhaps they'd smile at you from a shadow. Their smiling mouths full of teeth and meat and plastic, watching and waiting patiently for their turn at a warm welcome.
Don't want to look.
Or perhaps they won't allow you such time to figure your place in the world you'd left. A world that's theirs now. Welcome home.
Chill out. Oh no, chill out, chill out. Ah! Do it, bro. I knew that jump scares coming anyway, bro. Okay, so I got my stuff back now. Cool. Fuck is that? Dude, this, I ain't gonna lie, this nigga got me scared, bro. I'm scared. Where's the backup? Dude, more? I'll bring more of that stuff. Okay. That works. Oh my god. More? Okay. Oh. Okay. Now I get it. What was I supposed to come in here for? Ain't no fucking way. Hold up. God, I fucking hate how dumb I am sometimes. What's that? Is that blood? Okay. More blood. Cool. Cool. Don't shake this way. Dude, I cannot see anything, bro. Golly, it's so bright. Where's the tape at? The hell is the tape at? Oh! Oh, it's you, the friendly one. Are you okay? Buddy, what's wrong? It's the friendly one, but I can't get over there. It's like a wall. What's wrong with you? Let me see here. Oh. Okay. She's looking at a picture of a kid. Maybe she was that kid and she got morphed into a monster. Run, hide, watch out. Yeah, I get it. You ain't got none on me. What am I scared for? Me, I'm Tyrant Tyreek. Stop playing with me. But where's the second generator at? That second generator would actually help a lot. Is a daddy long legs? Well, she was wifed up too. He gonna come for revenge. Watch. But you kill my baby mama.
Subject is stable. Designated 1322. Clear neural abnormalities were detected in his recent checkup. Though highly irregular, we've pulled him from the home sweet home just before lights out to perform...
What is he doing with my friend?
What are you doing out of bed? How did you get in here?
Is Kevin sick? Why did you take him away?
Yes. Kevin is very sick. Very, very sick. But we want to make him better. But he can only get better if we take him to where we can provide proper care and give him proper rest.
Well, do you really think he will be okay?
I should think so. We're good at what we do, son. We paid attention in school, learned, and got our proper rest when we needed it. Just like you need it now, I should think. Come now, let's get you on back to bed.
Okay.
It's been a pleasure meeting you, Joseph. And I promise you, your friend will be all right.
Man, they line out their ass.
When you see him again, he'll have never been better.
They line out their asshole, bro. I feel like my character was a part of it. That's why he's suffering, bro. I kind of felt bad for him, but I kind of don't, because it's like he blamed him too. He's like, yo, it's also your fault in the video, so I think he had a part to play in it. So whatever happened to you now is karma. Why'd you? But that's the thing. Why'd you come back if you knew you were a part of it? Guilt? Even if I was guilty, I would never do that. Oh, how did I not see this, bro? Huh? Can't go back up there, so I gotta keep moving. Here you are. Yes. Nice. Finally making progress. Upstairs is where he roams, isn't it? Oh, who's that? I shoot at? Oh. I'm locked in right now. Huh? Just try to angle it right. Shit. It's timed. Okay. Move the fuck out the way, damn. Oh, fuck no, bro. Oh, no, 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 no. Chill, 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 chill. Chill out, bro. Oh, no, I don't like that. What? Stupid. Bro. Hey, man, I'm recording. What's good, bro, Mino?
Oh, you recording right now, bro?
Yep.
Okay. No, I'm just calling to see what you was on, bro.
I'm trying to get past this fucking scene, but I don't know what to do. I'm confused.
Oh, my God.
Yes! Oh my god. Oh. Yes. Oh my god. I've been trying to get that for hours, dude. Y'all don't know how long that took me, bro. Y'all don't know how long that just took me. Y'all don't know how long that just took me. Oh my god. So what now? What the fuck? Yes. Yes. Finally. Oh, finally. Oh my god, finally. Bro, more puzzle, bro. Nice. Okay. Just give me a few minutes and I'll always figure it out. Yep. I don't know why it scared me putting it on. Finally, bro. I'm making progress. This is one of the most difficult Poppy's Playtime puzzles ever, dude. Like, if I'm being honest, that was ridiculous. Finally, oh my god, dude. You don't know how long I've been playing for almost 3 hours, dude. Thank you, Lord.
No! No! Let go! They didn't do anything wrong. We're actually here to help.
Oh, God. Fuck, bro.
This place makes her tense. I'm glad that Ollie could help you get this far. He's the reason we found you at all.
Okay, so I'm good now.
Looks like the train crash hurt us both.
You're the one who started the train crash, though.
You've been through so much.
This is your fault.
You deserve an explanation. Come on.
Okay. I thought it was a blue one for a second. I was like, oh, nah.
We'll be okay.
Okay, so like,
I'm not your enemy.
see, okay, no. You're the one who started the train crash. How are you gonna tell me you're not my enemy if the literal reason I'm still here is because of you? Why not?
What's happening down here is bigger than all of us.
I don't have a conscience. Let me.
I need you. So we can get revenge on those monsters who've tortured you. Who've tortured us. They didn't act alone. They're disciples of the original. The prototype. Do the honors?
Okay. Yeah, I did the honors.
The prototype knows we're coming by now. You try to escape, he'll kill you before you ever reach that front door.
Why didn't you just let me escape when I had the chance?
Reason I was trapped in that god-awful case for so long. You have no idea the things he's done. Let me help you kill him. Let me help you save everyone. We've all seen you, how capable you are. You killed Huggy. You killed Mommy. You freed me. You are perfect for this. Catnap is coming. He's the final obstacle the prototype has placed against us. We can't stay here. Keep yourself safe. Ollie will call you.
Bro. So, fuck me, dude. I fucking hate this shit, dude. So, like, yep, he called me. How did you know?
Hey, it's me again.
What's up, Ollie?
Like Poppy explained everything now, and she turned on the dome's backup power. Now the plan from here is pretty simple. We need to restore power to the gas production zone. First, go back to the home sweet home building you were just in. You should be able to find a big power
It's not letting me in there.
Awesome! Look at that! Remember that generator you turned on inside of Home Sweet Home? Well, that was a backup generator for just that building.
Please don't think I have to go back in there.
Every building should have one. Now you've just taken Home Sweet Home's backup power and routed it here. We're already halfway done. But where to go next? Everywhere is pretty dangerous around here. That playhouse especially. Yuck. So, your best bet is probably the school. Catnap usually leaves that place alone. Sending you the key now.
Hey guys, I didn't record a proper outro for this video, and I just kind of quit it out of rage because like it was just the puzzles were really getting to me. I'm not gonna lie. I'm having fun with the game. I finished it already, all of it. I'm not gonna lie. I have about like 5 to 6 hours of footage, and I was gonna all put in one video, but I just cannot do that. I can't sit here and just edit 6 hours of footage. So right now I'm gonna put in like 2 to 3 parts. I apologize. I know a lot of YouTubers out there putting it all into one part. I can't do that. I'm a very busy person. I have other stuff to do other than this. Like I said, I apologize. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.
Mr. Fortunate just hit another lick again. I said I never trick again. The lie just didn't stick again. I booked it at the Ritz again. I chose the one with tits again. I bet my last on what I couldn't see to watch it flip again. The motor knew the frame was older. The drink was warm, the ice was colder. Stumbled on the 3-piece and I finished with the Butler floater.